Dear students, welcome to the Principles of Human Resource Management course. In this video, we will talk about Chapter 6, Training and Developing Employees. Lesson 3, the ADDIE 5-Step Training Process. By the end of this video, you will be able to 1. Identify the ADDIE 5-Step Training Process. 2. Analysis the training needs. The gold standard here is still the basic analyze, design, develop, implement, evaluate, known as ADDIE training process. ADDIE 5-step training program includes 1. Analyzing the training need. 2. Developing the overall training program. 3. Developing the course. 4. Implementing training by actually training the targeted employee group. 5. Evaluating the course effectiveness. Let's take a closer look at each step. The training needs analysis may address the employer's strategic or longer-term training needs and/or its current training needs. Strategic training needs analysis involves strategic goals, perhaps to enter new lines of business or to expand abroad, that often mean the firm will have to fill new jobs. Strategic training needs analysis identifies the training employees will need to fill these future jobs. Current training needs analysis. Most training efforts aim to improve current performance, especially training new employees and those whose performance is deficient. How you analyze current training needs depends on whether you're training new or current employees. The main task for new employees is to determine what the job entails and to break it down into subtasks, each of which you then teach to the new employee. Analyzing current employees' training needs is more complex because you must also ascertain whether training is the solution. Managers use task analysis to identify new employees' training needs and performance analysis to identify current employees' training needs. Task analysis is a detailed study of the job to determine what specific skills, like reading spreadsheets for a clerk, the job requires. For task analysis, job descriptions and job specifications are essential. Performance analysis. For underperforming current employees, you can't assume that the training is the solution. In other words, is it lack of training or something else? Performance analysis is the process of verifying that there is a performance deficiency and determining whether the employer should correct such deficiencies through training or some other means like transferring the employee. Uncovering why the performance is down is the heart of performance analysis. The aim here is to distinguish between can-do and won't-do problems. First, determine whether it is a can-do problem and, if so, its specific causes. For example, the employees don't know what to do or what your standards are. There are obstacles in the system, such as a lack of tools or supplies. There are no job aids, such as color-coded wires to show assemblers which wire goes where. You've hired people who don't have the skills to do the job, or training is inadequate. Won't do problem. Here employees could do a job if they wanted to. One expert says, perhaps the biggest trap that trainers fall into is developing training for problems that training just won't fix. For instance, the better solution might be to change the incentives. In the end of this video, we have talked about the ADDIE 5-step training process, analysis the training needs.